Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn on your auto backup on your iPhone, on your Android device. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings you will find about phone. So just go to about phone, and here you will find backup and reset. So just click here and you will see here auto backups. So just choose auto backups, and here you will see backup automatically. So you just click here, and now you just need to confirm it. So just enter your password and just click next. So now you successfully turn on your backup. So you can see in what choose in what time it will be every day, and here you can see that what things it will back up on your phone. And if you want to turn it on, so just go here and click here, and you will successfully turn off your backup automatically. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.